हेलो क्लास 5 स्टूडेंट, कैसे हैं आप सब? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अगेन चैप्टर 1 to 7. Already I have discussed you, and now chapter 8 already I have made video 1, okay, many days ago. Now I am going to make video 2 on chapter 8, subject, verb and agreement. I have already discussed this page number 65 in previous video. If you have not seen my previous video, then you will face lots of problem while understanding this chapter. So don't forget to see the previous video, subject, verb and agreement. Now come to the point, subject, verb in agreement. Okay, try to understand. Subject, verb and agreement. What is subject, what is verb and agreement? Today you will understand about it. Try to understand. I think you can see it. A sentence, agreement of the element in sentence. A sentence has this element, subject, verb and noun, pronoun. In sentence, all these elements must agree in number, person and gender. How it will agree, I am going to discuss you. Try to understand. At first, see this example. Try to see this example. Okay. Common errors. Suppose they is working on this project. We know very well we cannot use is with they. Whenever you will use is with they, then it is incorrect. We cannot use am, they, am is also incorrect. You will have to use they are. Okay, they are working on this project. This is correct. Why? Because they is plural and is singular. The subject and the verb don't agree. Here subject and verb is don't agree. They is subject and is verb. They don't agree with each other. Subject and verb don't agree. Therefore, the sentence is incorrect. How? Please see this example. Please see this example. How they don't agree? They are working on this project. This is correct. They is what? Plural, and are is what? Singular. The subject and the verb agree. Therefore, the sentence is correct. Okay. Whenever you will use they are, then this is correct. You can't use they is, it is incorrect. They am, it is incorrect. They are working on this project, this is correct. Okay. Try to see the another example. At first you will have to see, you will see incorrect uses. What is incorrect uses? Try to see the incorrect uses. I think you can see it very well. Okay, I think you can see it. Try to understand incorrect uses. What is incorrect uses? Smita is good singers. This is incorrect. Smita is a good singer. Okay. This is incorrect uses. Smita are a good singers. So here singers is incorrect. Here you will use singer, not singers. Understand? The Smita, we know very well Smita, Rita, Gita, Sita, etc. They are singular. In Smita, in Sita, in he, you will use is. This is singular. Singers, this is plural. The Smita is a good singer. Singers. It means what? Smita is singular. You cannot use the words of singers. Singers. Okay. Kapil Dev is good cricketers. Not cricketers is incorrect. Cricketer. Clear? There is a disagreement in the number. The sentence is incorrect. Okay. So Smita are a good singers. Here also I have used S. Smita singular and R is plural. Okay, this is also incorrect because here we have used S, singers. There is disagreement in the number. Clear? The sentence is incorrect. Then what is correct sentence? Try to understand it. The correct usage is what? Try to understand this. So this is correct use. I think you can see it. Very good. Smita is a good singer. So this is correct, because you can't use singers, because Smita is a singular number, not plural number. So Smita is a good singer, not singers. Okay, this is correct. Smita is what? Singular. Smita is subject. Is singular. Is verb. Singer is singular. There is agreement in all the elements. Clear? The sentence is correct. In this video, I have discussed you what is common errors. Okay, common errors of verb and subject. Thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. Okay, and don't forget to share and don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.